The main focus of LOWINFOOD is implementing these 14 innovations in real food supply chains. So at this point, most of these implementation phases have been completed. Some innovations are still ongoing in real chain, but we are in a really exciting phase of the project because we are collecting our results. So we are seeing whether our innovations work, don't work, have something to be improved, and we are providing both the food chain actors and the innovators with some very useful feedback, in my view. During the implementation of the innovations, we have collected enough data to evaluate the efficacy of the innovations in reducing food waste, the socio-economic impact of these innovations, and the environmental impact. So these will be the key results that we will provide at the level of the individual innovation. But it's more than that, because we will also provide a comprehensive assessment about how this innovation can improve and go to the market, also thanks to the feedback that they got during the implementation in real food chains.
So we have collected a huge range of data sets so far. So we have more or less 29 different innovations, and we are collecting the data sets. We now have the process of understanding the data sets. So we'll sit together with the data collectors, with the data facilitators and the data analyzers, and discuss about the structure and the background, the settings behind the data sets, and then we process it. We provide results and interpret the results together to come up with outcomes which can be communicated to public, and we can disseminate this.
So at the moment we don't have yet many data because it's a very complex aspect, the socio-economic evaluation, but we have started collecting information and analyzing information about the participant, and we see that the innovation that deal with households have a significant positive effect on the awareness of food waste as a problem and the attitude towards reducing food waste. So the evaluation results will be used to develop scenarios of supply chains that can inform more in the long term the development of this innovation or similar innovations for reducing food waste.
Giving advice and recommendations for innovations in future. Especially we want to highlight which factors are crucial for the reduction of food wastage. What makes the innovation efficient, what makes the innovation more environmentally sustainable, and also what could save costs.
As we get our results, then the next challenge is to interpret these results correctly. So in this case, we don't only want to give a scientific interpretation of results, but we also want these results to be useful for the startups and the innovators to go smoothly to the market. Another challenge is to be able to disseminate our results properly. So this doesn't only mean the scientific dissemination, where we have 10 academic partners in the consortium, so they will likely take care of the scientific dissemination, but this also means the dissemination to the general public and to the actors of the food chains addressed in LOWINFOOD.